Hi, Isa. Wonder if you ever see the end. I wonder if you know I'm there. If you look in my eyes, would you see what's inside? Would you even care? I just wanna hold you close. But so far, all I have are dreams of you. So I'll wait for the day and the courage to say how much I love you. Yes, I do. I'll be dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow.